Hello everyone, welcome back to our blog once again. So today we'll talk about dynamic memory allocation in C, where we use function like malloc, calloc, reloc, and free. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to create memory at runtime and manage it efficiently. So let's move to the first. What is dynamic memory allocation? So I'll create a file that is dynamic memory.c. So in C, normally we declare variable or array. The memory size is fixed at compile time. But what if you don't know the size, you don't know the how many data we are going to store, and what about the length? We don't know. So that's where the dynamic memory allocation comes in to the game. So it allows us to allocate memory at runtime using a special function in the library that is stdlib.h. So let's move to the first one, that is malloc. So I've written a program. I'll just copy paste it here to save your time. So let me copy paste it here. So this is our simple malloc. So basically malloc stand for the memory allocation, and it reserve a block of memory of given size but does not initialize it. So we can see here we are using malloc that allocate memory for 5 integers, as we are dividing those 5 and size of the integer, and rest we are doing some looping and if else condition, like we are assigning the values, and then in the end we are freeing a memory. So let's run it and see what it will print. So gcc dynamic memory memory.c hyphen o then dy. So we compile it. Now we'll run it. See. So it's saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll move to the next one, that is calloc. So we'll create a file, or I'll explain it here in the below in the comment section, that is calloc. What is calloc? So see, see. So this is calloc. How you write the calloc? Calloc stands for contiguous allocation. So I'll write here what it does. It is contiguous allocation, similar to malloc, but it also initializes the memory to 0. So let's see the code will be same, but how you initialize it define the differentiate the calloc and malloc basically. Then we declare a pointer, and then ptr equals to what you will do, we'll declare int asterisk, and then calloc 5 size of int. That's it. So here we are allocating a memory of memory for 5 integers. So this is how you declare calloc. So if you print value, like if I'll give you assignment, so just try to write this code using calloc and print the value without assigning. You will see all are 0 by default. So let's move to the next one, that is reloc. So reloc is used when you want to resize the already allocated memory. So suppose you have declared the size of 5, and you want to, do you have a value more than 5, so you have to reassign the memory. That's where relock you can relocks comes in the game, and you can use relock to resize to the whole hold resize the like entire memory. So I'll give you syntax. So syntax, what it does, you have to declare ptr equals to int asterisk. That basically we declare a pointer, then relock, that is ptr comma 10 asterisk size of int. So here we resize, right here, resize resize the memory, right? So this keeps old value and give you extra space for the new value. So let's move to the last one, that is free. So free, what it does, after using dynamically allocated memory, we must release it using free. So if you don't free the memory, it can cause memory leak at any time, at anywhere. So how you free the memory? Like, so you just write free and then the pointer ptr. That's how you free the memory. So I'll give you an assignment. Just try to writing this your own program using this calloc, relock, and free, as I have written here the using the malloc. So you just have to replace this and run it and see how it works. So in this video we learn about malloc, that is allocate memory uninitialized calloc, allocate and initialize memory to be 0, and then relock, resize previously allocated memory, free, release memory back to system. These functions are essential for efficient memory management in C programming. So that's how dynamic memory allocation work in C using malloc, calloc, relock, and free. So in the upcoming video, we'll explore how these functions are used in data structure like linked list and tree. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more C programming tutorial. See you into the next one. Thank you.